Hello, my little friends. Today we are going to learn something very important: healthy food and junk food. Do you know which foods help your body grow strong and which ones make you tired? Let's find out together. What is healthy food? Healthy food helps your body grow, stay active, and feel good. Fruits are healthy, vegetables are healthy, milk, yogurt, eggs, chicken, fish, rice, and water are healthy too. Healthy food makes your brain smarter. Healthy food gives your body energy. Healthy food helps you run, play, and learn. Healthy food keeps your heart strong. Healthy food keeps your body happy. What is junk food? Junk food tastes yummy, but is not good for your body if you eat too much. Candy is junk food. French fries are junk food. Cake, donuts, chocolate bars, and soda are junk food too. Junk food gives you low energy. Junk food makes you feel sleepy or lazy. Junk food can hurt your teeth. Junk food has too much sugar, too much fat, and too much salt. Junk food makes your body sad. Healthy food versus junk food. Let's compare. Healthy food makes you strong. Junk food makes you tired. Healthy food helps your body grow. Junk food does not help your body. Healthy food is good for your teeth. Junk food can hurt your teeth. Healthy food gives you energy. Junk food takes your energy away. Apples make you strong. Donuts make you tired. Broccoli gives you superhero energy. Chips make you slow and sleepy. Game time. Let's play a game. I will show you a food. You say healthy food or junk food. Banana. Is it healthy food or junk food?
Healthy food.
Donut. Is it healthy food or junk food?
Junk food.
Milk. Is it healthy food or junk food?
Healthy food.
Candy. Is it healthy food or junk food?
Junk food.
Grapes. Is it healthy food or junk food?
Healthy food.
Soda. Is it healthy food or junk food?
Junk food.
Great job! How to make healthy choices. Here are easy ways to stay healthy. Drink more water. Eat fruits every day. Eat vegetables with lunch and dinner. Choose healthy snacks like yogurt, nuts, or fruit. Avoid too much sugar. Do not drink soda. Eat junk food only sometimes. Healthy food every day. Junk food only sometimes. Great job, friends! Now you know the difference between healthy food and junk food. Healthy food makes you strong, smart, and happy. Make good choices every day. Thanks for learning with me. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back for more learning fun.